I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Alright everyone, so I hope everyone enjoyed the first portion of the video where we went over a quick unboxing, okay? But we also went over all the features that these earbuds provide. And now, in this portion of the video, I'm going to get into my overall first impressions with the CMF by Nothing Buds Pro Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Now, all I've done, as I always do with my unboxing and first impressions video, especially for earbuds, I fully charge the earbuds and then I put them back in the packaging to give y'all that true unboxing and first impressions experience. So you will truly hear my genuine first impressions because I have not done anything with the earbuds aside making sure they have a full charge so I can get to using them directly after I record this portion of the unboxing video. Now, starting off with the first impressions, I have to say, CMF, Nothing, the packaging and presentation is really, really good. really good. I like the overall look. I like the overall color scheme. I like how it's embedded in there. And I like how they had the little barcode for the companion application right inside with a quick little diagram letting you know where all the important stuff is right inside. And then it comes with 2 user manuals, as y'all saw from the first part of the video. But I like the overall packaging and presentation. Really good job, CMF. Really good job. Nothing there. Really good packaging and presentation, at least from a first impression standpoint. Now, next thing I want to talk about is we're going to get into how the first impressions of the overall fit and feel of the earbuds are. Now, I do like this style of earbuds, this stem style of earbuds, but it does have touch controls. So the touch control portion is right here in the stem. We're going to see how I like that, how I get on with that as I go throughout using the product. But let's try on the earbuds now, and let me give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. Then we're going to take some photos so you can see how they look in my ears, and then we'll wrap this video up. So let's get started. So let's drop in the right. Okay. Drop that in. That actually goes right in. Now, by default, I think it comes with the medium ear tips on. Yes. So it has the mediums already on, and it comes with a small and a large in the box. So let's drop in the left. Okay. So that actually went right in. And talking about the noise cancellation, I can barely hear myself talk with the earbuds in. So I can only imagine once I start playing something, whether it be watching something or listening to something, it's going to easily drown out my surroundings. But the overall fit seems to be really, really good. Now let me do a quick shake test. Okay, so it's not coming out. So we got a really solid fit on these. I was actually shaking pretty vigorously and it did not come out. I kind of gave myself a headache there, but it is what it is. Now, let me go ahead and take some selfies for you guys and gals so y'all can see how these bad boys look. Let me see what we're going to use today. What are we going to use today? Do I want to use the Pixel? Do I want to use the iPhone? Let's use the Pixel. All right, let's do that. We'll use the Pixel 6a to take these selfies here today. So let me fire this bad boy up. Let's do a front profile here. Oh man, you can't barely tell that I have them in. Wow, these are going to be very discreet. Okay, front profile. Let me do one side. Okay, let me do the other side. Okay. Okay, and let's see. Oh, I forgot one side. Hold up, it didn't take. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's see here. All right, let me show y'all real quickly. So here is the front profile. Look at that. That is extremely discreet. Like, you can't even tell I have them in my ears. I have to zoom in on my ears, and then you can kind of see they poke out ever so slightly on both sides. I like that. I like that a lot. And then let's look from one side. That looks really, really good there. Check that out. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. All right. That's one side. And then here's the other side. Again, not bad. Not bad at all. Really nice overall fit. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so first impressions with the overall fit and feel for the CMF Buds Pro Truly Wireless Earbuds. I like it. I like it a lot. Now, let me take them out real quick. Okay, they actually pop out extremely easily as well. Let's rest them down. Okay. So, first impressions actually seem to be really, really good. Now, before I get up out of here, I do want to let everyone know you will need the NEFFEX application to take full advantage of the earbuds. So let me just show y'all here. So you're going to need this application right here, the NEFFEX earbuds application. And y'all can see I got the CMF watch application because I did purchase the watch as well. I was able to get the watch, the earbuds, and the charger for a really great price. I'm going to give each thing its independent video, but you will need the companion earbud application to take full advantage of the earbuds. I'll have this linked up down below in the video description, okay? But you will need that application, the NEFFEX application. That being said, first impressions of the earbuds, I do like the overall look. I do like the overall fit, okay? And I think I really am going to enjoy these, right? Now, I'm not going to put a time frame on when the review is going to come out. I will drop the coverage as I finish it, and everything will culminate in the full review. So we'll go ahead and go through the microphone test. We'll go ahead and go through the fit and sound demo, and everything will culminate with the full review, okay? As we always do. That being said, that brings a close to this video. If this video piqued your interest, all the affiliated links as to where y'all can pick up these earbuds, along with all of the other CMF by Nothing products, will be linked up down below in the video description. And when you use those affiliate links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. Along with that, all featured devices that I used in the video here today will also be linked up down below in the video description as well. So anything that I featured in the video will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. But I am using my professional studio lights, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. That being said, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace. All right, let's go.